So I'm going to talk through this neck adjustment on this 12-week-old girl. I start off by feeling any areas that feel restricted. Then we move into checking her motion side to side. So I'm starting to the left, and she has great motion over to the side. When I check to the right, it catches and gets stuck right about there. So all I do is just apply a little bit of pressure with my left finger until I feel it just release. And there it goes. And now she has complete range of motion to that right side. Follow for more treatment videos.